Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva to create an ebook. First, navigate to Canva's homepage and use the search bar to find ebook or book cover templates. You'll find thousands of options, so take your time to select one that perfectly matches your vision. Look for templates that offer a multi-page layout to make your design journey even smoother. This initial step sets the foundation for your entire ebook project. Now, let's personalize your ebook. Click on any text box to replace the placeholder content with your own engaging words. Experiment with different fonts and color palettes to create a unique look. Canva offers a vast collection of design elements, including over 100 million stock photos, graphics, and videos. Feel free to drag and drop new images or icons to enhance your pages and make them visually appealing. As your content grows, you'll need more pages. Easily duplicate existing pages to maintain a consistent design or add new blank pages for fresh layouts. To make your ebook more informative, consider adding charts, graphs, or infographics from Canva's Elements tab. Remember to keep your branding consistent throughout, using the same color scheme and font styles on every page for a professional finish. Once your ebook is complete, it's time to share your masterpiece. Click the Share button in the top right corner. For the best quality, download your ebook as a PDF print file, which is ideal for professional printing. If you're sharing online, select PDF Standard for a smaller file size. You can also generate a shareable link or post directly to social media platforms, reaching your audience with ease.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.